Hello, hello, hello. Lana Love here. Oh, these beautiful flowers just got my attention. So I had to stop. I saw the white daisy and then I saw these. Oh my gosh. Like little dandelions. Be careful what you wish for. Focus, focus. Come on, let's see. It's windy. Let's see if I can get them to focus. Let's see. There we go.
And it was the shirt, and we were just laughing. I was like, oh my god, I totally forgot about this. And that, no, literally back to the place.
And then I noticed the other flowers on it. I just love nature. Oh, look at this beauty. More beauties. The beauty of nature in downtown Austin. And oh, and there's the ducks out there. Loud machinery. People walking by on the hike and bike trail. All right, Lana Love signing off, continuing on my walk.